Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Santander business account. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to log in into your business bank of Santander, first you want to search for Santander business login just like this. After you search for it, the first option where it says business online banking, click on it. And make sure it takes you to business.santander.co.uk. That's the official URL for Santander Bank's business login. Over here, make sure you're in the business section, which is the middle one. And where it says personal ID, enter the personal ID of your account. And where it says security number, enter the security number of your account. After you do that, click on login, and if the ID and security number you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your business account of Santander Bank. And if you forgot your ID, you can always click on this to recover it as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.